Hey Crunchified Clean friends, here is a mopping tip. So when it comes to mopping wood floors, you want to go with the grain of the wood. But what I like to do in bathrooms and kitchens, whether it's tile or marble, granite, wood, I want the mop head to get full friction on the floor. And what I mean by that is I'm going to go left to right and top to bottom and in an S-shaped pattern so I can get the most amount of coverage, but the most amount of cloth friction to really agitate the floor and pick up any lingering dirt, debris, or stains. I find that if I go just in one direction, I'm not getting a good scrubby power since it's just in one direction. So I like to go in various directions to really get a good deep floor clean with my mop head, especially in bathrooms and kitchens where there's the most foot traffic. Hope those tips help. You can grab the Tovar spin mop that you see in this video down below with my TikTok affiliate link on my TikTok video. And you can also buy the Thieves Concentrated Cleaner with my Young Living affiliate link down below. And I will earn commission. Thank you very much. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy.